I just had to let you know you're.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. First, introduce myself. My name is Tifkala Tanjung. My student number is 251450043. I am student of class B, majoring in petroleum logistic and engineering. Today, I would like to present a topic that is the heartbeat of your industry, the strategic management of oil and gas logistics. We will discuss how energy moves from deep underground to matches that power of our world. And the first one, the core concept, why logistics matters. In the oil and gas sector, logistics is not just about moving boxes. It is about high stakes management. We deal high value material and high risks environment. We will our work into the two sectors. Upstream, moving massive drilling equipment to remote location. If a single pipe is missing, the whole operation stops. And second, downstream, distributing refined products like gasoline and diesel to thousands of locations. This is where efficiency and speed are tested every single day. In the point 2, detailed logistics and the procurement flow. Now, let's go deeper into the heart of your major, the logistic and procurement flow. In the petroleum logistic, we will follow in a regular cycle. It starts with planning and sourcing. We are not just buying stuff. We are managing strategic assets. We have to select the right vendors who can provide materials that will withstand extreme withstand extreme pressure and temperature. Next is quality assurance. Before any chemical or spare part enters your warehouse, it must pass a laboratory check. For example, we are use FTIR for reactor transformer infrared spectroscopy to analyze the molecular structure of lubrication or fuel. We must ensure there is no contamination because even a small impurity can cause a multi-million-dollar engine failure. There comes inventory management. In your industry, we have a saying: inventory is frozen cash. If we store too much, we waste capital. If we store too little, we risk stock out, which can shut down a whole refinery. Your job is to find that sweet spot. The perfect balance of stock using calculate lead times and the safety stock level. And the point 3, transportation and distribution challenge. Moving to the next stage, transportation. In this where the engineering in your major really shine. Indonesian and archipelago nation with over 17,000 islands. This creates a massive logistical challenge for multimodal transportation. To move fuel from a refinery like Cilacap or Balikpapan to a remote village in Papua, we must use a combination of large oil tankers for sea time, pipelines for inland bulk transportation, and finally tankers, trucks or even small barges to reach shallow rivers. We also face the challenge of the one price policy. BBM satu harga. Our mission as logistic engineers is to keep the funds low, so someone in a remote mountain pay the same price for fuel as someone in Jakarta. This requires incredibly efficient route optimized and cost control strategies. And the point 4, the future digitalization and sustainability. Let's talk about the future. Logistics is moving toward industry 4.0. We are now using IoT, Internet of Things, and the big data to track your health in real time. We can monitor fuel level in 10,000 of kilometers away just from a tablet. This prevents human error and illegal tapping or fuel theft during distribution. Furthermore, we are starting to integrate green logistics. We are looking for ways to reduce the carbon footprint of your transport fleet. As the next generation of engineering, it is our responsibility to make oil and gas logistics not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. And now, in the last part, conclusion and the future of logistics. To conclude my presentation, I want to leave you with one final thought. Logistics is the heart of every industry. In the oil and gas sector, we are currently facing a massive transformation. We are moving from traditional methods to Industry 4.0. This means predictive maintenance using AI to know when a tanker or pipeline might fail before it actually happens. Blockchain technology to ensure that your procurement and supply chain documents are 100% transparent and secure from my proud sustainability as we look toward the future. Your role as petroleum logistic engineer is to find the balance between meeting today's energy needs and protecting the environment for tomorrow. The challenge we face from the deep sea drilling takes the remote island of Indonesia require not just hard work but smart engineering. We are the ones who ensure that light spray, the factories keep running, and the transportations never stop. Once again, my name is Mr. Farel Tanjung. My ID student number is 251450043 from class 1B, majoring in petroleum logistic engineering. It has been absolute honor to share my perspective with you today. Thank you very much for a kind attention. I'm now ready to open the floor for this quiz. If you have any questions, comment, or perhaps different point of view, if you be very happy to hear them. The floor is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmer! Boom!